Let me ask you a question. Is real estate your passion or just something you got into to pay the bills? If you answered the former, then no offense, please just keep surfing. If, however, you answered the latter with a definitive yes, don't go anywhere because you absolutely want to hear the rest of this message. I work with Eileen Taft with The Force Realty, and we're looking for passionate real estate agents. To get the very best agents, we offer the very best in the business, 100% commission on every sale you make. Did that get your attention? Not only will you get 100% commissions, but you'll have a physical office. You'll be working for an Inc. 500 fastest growing company, and you'll get training and mentoring from one of the best. That would be Eileen. We're willing to pay you much more than any of the big agencies, and for good reason. Because customers don't hire agencies, they hire people just like you. They work with agents who know the business, know the area they work in, and most importantly, know how to take care of them. When you work with The Force Realty in Vancouver, you'll get paid what you're truly worth. We either get a flat fee of $295 or $495. You get the rest. That could mean a huge difference in your pay and in your life. If you truly care about your future as a real estate agent, give Eileen a call today and she'll talk about how all this works. When we're done, if you're not convinced that this is the real deal, you can just walk away. But if you're a true real estate professional, I'm sure that you won't. We are The Force Realty Vancouver, and Eileen looks forward to hearing from you.